Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do actually is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it using two different ways. Let's say if you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the navigation buttons, then you have to find the button with a 3 bars icon and tap on it, and thanks to this you can enter the recents. So let me do it. Let me open the recents, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps. And all you have to do in order to close only one of it is to simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully close all background apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close running apps in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.